The city and its residents agree that road construction is essential. Where some differ is whether or not the pounding and digging is shaking lead from lateral service pipes into Milwaukee families' drinking water.
You need to be there consistently checking and making sure that lead levels are not spiking in the waters of those neighborhoods.
Robert Miranda speaks for FLAC, the Freshwater for Life Action Coalition. They argue that hazardous toxic lead pipes can spike dangerous levels of lead during these projects, and the city is not doing enough to protect families.
My home is 114 years old, so we know what's happening with my pipes and others at this table. We have to get into the mindset that no level of lead is acceptable.
One of the clients that we're working with, her son was diagnosed with having increased lead, and he has actually a part that actually makes him violent. People don't talk about that. He's only 9 years old.
And a couple of residents did tell me that they did receive notice from the city about how to protect themselves from lead hazards, but the panel wants regular testing. The city tells us they do a lot of testing. Their statement reads in part, water testing takes samples from the faucet. After sitting in the lead pipes for 6 hours or more, they also collect an additional 12 samples immediately afterwards. Reporting live tonight on the South Side, Mike Anderson, WISN 12 News.